I'm about to show you how to turn a trash bag into a treasure. You're never gonna see a trash bag the same. Well, we have a lot of clothing, and so when you're moving and you want to get your destination and not have all your stuff wrinkled and have to unpack it, I'm going to show you how to do that. Well, I talked about me having 3 autoimmunes, and one of them is arthritis, so my range of motion is awful. So if that's your problem, this is what you need. You need a little step ladder. Step up on the step ladder, and that allows you to have more range of motion without actually having the mobility. So I'm going to put this bag, take your clothes from the bottom of the trash bag, and then you pull it up onto the clothing. And the thing I love about this is, you know, when you move, you already have a lot of stuff to do. This is going to be one less thing you're going to have to do. Push it over, pull it up, and you pull one of the little ties out. We've moved a lot, and this is something that has saved us a lot of time and money. One of the little zip ties out, and you pull the other one out. Gotta find it right here. And then you just simply use this. Take this one around this way, this around this way, and then you're gonna pull them, and look at that. Now your hangers are secured, and you don't have to worry about when you get your destination. All you have to do is cut this, and you have a perfect garment bag, as well as this is good on the truck because it gives room for things to be stuffed into the truck. Check that out. A garbage bag turned into a treasure. Guys, it's Renee from the Rich Relationships Refuge, and I'm about to show you another hack with a trash bag. So basically, we have a lot of the hangers that are basically they all match. So what do? You have a lot of those that you want to ship and take with you when you're moving. Put them in the bag, and you take some scissors and you cut this down the middle. Cut it. Cut on the other side. Then you can tie it, put it down some more, a little bit further, and then you're going to tie it now. Your hangers are just like that. So instead of putting it in a box, you put them in a nice, easy to carry trash bag. Trash bags turns into treasures. Love you guys. You're more than enough. Bye.